Hi my love, so in today's video I'm going to show you a DIY and hacks on how to get rid of dark, puffy eye bags naturally at home. I also have a huge giveaway hidden in this video, so make sure to watch to the end. And if you're new here, hi, welcome. Make sure to subscribe for new DIYs every Wednesday and videos every week. And check out my website, anita-samantha.com, for free secrets, live sessions with me, and a $10 ebook with a ton of secrets I don't share on my channel. So the first way to heal under eye circles and puffiness is with chamomile tea. Now chamomile is such an amazing herbal tea that contains anti-irritants as well as soothes inflammation. It can also help with dark under eye circles. It is so natural, so good for you, and as you can see, the only ingredients you need are chamomile flowers. Now, although chamomile tea is great to ingest and drink, it is also great to use topically because the chamomile leaves can soak into the skin, and if you compress it on your skin long enough, it will help the puffiness go down and the dark eye circles disappear. Now, there is a trick in how we do this because you always want to put cold compress on puffiness, so I'm going to show you how to use these tea bags and create under eye patches naturally at home, and I'm going to show you some other remedies that work amazing as well. So first, all you're going to be needing are 2 tea bags. Of course, make sure that they are chamomile. You don't want them to be blended with a bunch of other stuff. I will list where I got my versions down below off of Amazon for super cheap. You can also use green tea, but chamomile definitely has worked the best for me, and I noticed a huge difference. Now, all you're going to need to do is fill up some water to boil. This is my little tea maker. I love it. I will list it down below. I got it on Amazon and I use it every day. It's amazing. Now make sure you keep watching because I'm going to show you the next steps of this remedy and some other ways that you can help with your puffy under eyes and dark eye bags as well. Also, comment 2.5 minute mark right now if you hear me say this so I can see who my true subscribers are and show you so much love in the comment section down below. Once the water is done boiling, it is time to prepare our mixture. You can also drink the tea because it is so good for you eternally as well. And just a fun fact, a lot of dark circles and puffiness can actually be caused by dehydration. So make sure you're drinking enough fluids throughout the day. So I am going to be making 2 cups because I'm not the only one who will be drinking this. And I'm going to go ahead and pour the hot boiling water onto the tea and just let it activate for about 2 minutes. Then I will be removing the tea bags before drinking to prepare them for our under eye remedy. Comment 3-minute mark if you're watching right now. I have a surprise for you. I am going to be doing giveaways in every one of my videos for the next 5 weeks, so make sure you're subscribed, turn your notifications on so you can be the first ones to enter, and make sure you're following me on Instagram at AnitaSamantha because I will be posting on there too. And I have so many products to add from my favorite hair treatments, facial, skin cares, makeup, and so much more. I'll decide how to do each giveaway box with the items once it gets closer to winter time, but it is for the month of July. And all the ways to enter will be listed in the description. Now time for the DIY under eye facial treatment. So all you're gonna do is take the 2 tea bags and cut off the little string that is attached to them. Then we are going to fold them in half. This will make it perfect to fit right underneath our eyes. And we are going to be using this to infuse it into our skin, getting rid of our dark circles and the puffiness. So you're just going to want to drain the water from the plate, any excess that came out of the tea bags while we were molding them, and then we are going to take them onto the plate and put them in our freezer for 2 to 3 hours. Once they are feeling nice and cold, it is time to press them into our eye bags and the puffiness under our eyes. Now, a very important step here is letting them sit on your eyes for at least 2 to 5 minutes. Depending on how puffy and how dark your eyes are, you're going to start seeing a difference instantly because the chamomile works very fast with the skin to help decrease the irritation, decrease the puffiness, and the coolness mixed with the herbal tea really helps our skin heal. So after 2 to 5 minutes of pressing them down onto your skin, you're going to notice that the tea kind of starts to fall down your face, and this is good because if you want to accelerate the process and really heal your skin for the long run, you can use products like a jade roller, which I will link the one I got down below. It is the best quality one I've ever used, and I like to keep it in the freezer along with this little facial tool, which is a cooling gel roller. So either of these work to rub the chamomile tea into the skin after you let it sit for 2 to 5 minutes, and you do not need to rinse this off. You can just go about your skincare routine or your makeup routine after. Alright my loves, that was my video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. All of the details will be listed in the description down below. I love you. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you very soon for a new video. Mwah.